Hari Om children. Today let us continue the chapter describing words. In last class we learned what are describing words and few examples of it. Let us revise once again. So what are describing words? Describing words tells us more about naming words. Okay, so we learned what are naming words. Naming words are the names of people, places, animals and things. So describing word tells more about these words. For example, boy. How is the boy? If we say smart boy, smart is the describing word and boy is the naming word. So the naming word boy, for that we are using the word smart to describe it. Okay, we shall see few more examples. Red car. So in this, red is the describing word and car is the naming word. Round table, big house, short girl, soft toy, silk shirt, two books, old man. So all these are the examples of describing words. So the words which are in red color, they are the describing words. So red car. So red is the describing word. Round table. So how is the table? Round. So round is the describing word. Big house. So big is the describing word. Short girl. So short is the describing word. Soft toy. In this, soft is the describing word. Silk shirt. So silk is, the shirt is made up of silk. So silk is the describing word. Two books. Okay. So two is the describing word. Old man. So old is, how is the man? Old. So old is the describing word. So all these we learnt in the previous class. Now let us go for the textbook exercise. Open page number 34 children. So before that, in the previous class I gave you homework to color these pictures and write the names of the colors that you have used to color it. Have you done it children? Have you done this homework? Yes. Now let us go for the exercise. Page number 34. Have you all opened it? Yes. A main. Fill in the blanks with suitable describing words from the box. So can you see the words in this blue box? Yes. So they have given few describing words in this box. So we have to select a word from that and we have to fill up the blanks. Okay, so let us read the describing words. Square, hot, strong, red, 7, poor, clever, delicious, round, tall. Once again we shall read the describing words children. Square, hot, strong, red, 7, poor, clever, delicious, round, tall. Okay, now let us read the sentence and fill up the blanks. First sentence, he gave the dash man some food. Once again, he gave the dash man some food. So we have to write the describing word for man. So how can the man be? Can the man be square? No. Hot? No. Strong? Strong man. Can we give strong man some food? No, it is not suiting. So next, red? Red man? No. 7? No. Next, poor. Okay, so we can use poor man. He gave the poor man some food. So the describing word is first one, poor. P-O-O-R, poor. Write neatly, children. Okay, second one. Second one. Mother cooked a dash meal for us. Okay, mother cooked a dash meal for us. So we have to use the describing word for meal. How can the meal be? Okay, so meal means food. How can the food be? Food can be delicious. So mother cooked a delicious meal for us. Okay, the second answer is delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. Write neatly, children. Third one. The dash boy can reach the high shelf. Third one. The dash boy can reach the high shelf. Okay, so we have to use the describing word for boy. So how can the boy be? And he can reach the high shelf. So the tall boy. Okay, the word tall, can you see here? The tall boy can reach the high shelf. So third answer is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. Okay, next fourth one. The owl has big dash eyes. Okay, so we have to write the describing for word for eyes. How can the eyes of owl be? It is big and round. Okay, the eyes of owl is big and round. So R-O-U-N-D, round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Okay, next fifth one. It is very dash today. It is very dash today. So how we have to write the describing word for today. So today can be hot, today can be cold. Okay, so here they have given the word hot. So we can use hot. It is very hot today. Finished, children? Okay, now let us go for the sixth one. Sixth one, the dash girl is carrying 3 bags. The dash girl is carrying 3 bags. Okay, so we have to use the describing word for girl. So the girl is strong. The strong girl is carrying 2 bags. What is the spelling of strong? S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Seventh one, the dash fox tricked the animals of the forest. So the fox is clever. So the clever fox tricked the animals of the forest. Eighth one, there are dash days in a week. So days, how many days are there? 7. So there are 7 days in a week. Ninth one, your gift is the dash box. Sorry, your book is in the dash box. So how is the box? Square box. Your gift is in the square box. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. So how is the box? It is a square box. 10th one. The notebooks are in the dash bag. So look at the picture of bag. How is the bag? Red bag. The notebooks are in the red bag. R-E-D, red. Finished writing, children? Okay, now we shall revise once again the answers. A main answers. He gave the dash man some food. He gave the poor man some food. Second one. Mother cooked a dash meal for us. Mother cooked a delicious meal for us. Third one. The dash boy can reach the high shelf. The tall boy can reach the high shelf. Fourth one. The owl has big dash eyes. The owl has big round eyes. Fifth one. It is very dash today. It is very hot today. Sixth one. The dash girl is carrying 3 bags. The strong girl is carrying 3 bags. Seventh one. The dash fox tricked the animals of the forest. The clever fox tricked the animals of the forest. Eighth one. There are dash days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Ninth one. Your gift is in the dash box. Your gift is in the square box. 10th one. The notebooks are in the dash bag. The notebooks are in the red bag. Understood, children? So based on the naming words what they have given, based on that we have to use the describing words. Okay, next B main. B main, page number 35. Read the sentences and write the describing words and the nouns they describe. Some sentences may have 2 describing words. Okay, so we have to identify the naming words and the describing words given in the sentence. First one, my new bag is red in color. Understand it, children? My new bag is red in color. So which is the naming word? We are talking about the bag. So bag is the naming word. How is the bag? It is new and it is red. So the describing words are new, red, and the naming word is bag. Okay, write it down fast, children. N-E-W, new, R-E-D, red, and the naming word bag, B-A-G, bag. Second one, white snowflakes are falling on the trees. So which is the naming word? Here we are talking about snowflakes. Okay, and how is the snowflakes? White. Okay, so the describing word is white, W-H-I-T-E, white. And the naming word is snowflakes, S-N-O-W-F-L-A-K-E-S, snowflakes. Third one, I am wearing my woolen coat. So, which is the naming word here? Coat. And how is it? Woolen. So, woolen is the describing word, W-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. And naming word is C-O-A-T, coat. Fourth one, 12 birds are flying in the sky. So which is the naming word? Birds. And what is the describing word? 12. So numbers can also be used as describing words. So 12, TWELVE, 12 is the describing word and birds are the naming word. Fifth one, an elephant has a long trunk and large ears. So which is the naming word here? Elephant is an animal, but here we are not describing the elephant. Here we are describing the elephant's trunk and ears. Okay, so here we are describing the elephant's trunk and ears, the parts of the body. Okay, here the parts of elephant are the naming words. Understood, children? That is trunk, TRUNK, trunk and ears are the naming words. And how is the trunk? It is long. So long is the describing word for trunk. And ears, how are the ears? Large. So large is the describing word for ears. Understood, children? So the describing word is long and large, and naming words are trunk and ears. Sixth one, my friends and I are happy to go to school. So here, which is the naming word? My friends and I. Okay, so my friend and I is a pronoun. So it is a naming word. So how are they? They are happy. Okay, so happy, it is the feeling. So even feel can also be used as the describing word. Okay, so happy is the describing word and naming word is my friends and I. Seventh one, the green frogs are croaking noisily. The green frogs are croaking noisily. So here we are talking about frogs. So frog is the naming word, and how is the frog? Green. So green is the describing word. Eighth one, the hungry cat wants milk. Okay. Eighth one, the hungry cat wants milk. So which is the naming word here? Cat. And how is the cat? It is hungry. So cat is the naming word and the describing word is hungry. Have you all finished it, children? Write neatly. Have you understood it? Okay. Now let us go for the C main. Okay. C main. Read the story and circle the describing words. Understood, children? We should read the story and we have to identify the describing words and circle it. Okay, first let us read the story. An old lion. Okay, so we are talking about lion, but how is the lion? Old. So old is the describing word for lion. And so circle old. Have you circled it, children? Yes, an old lion lived in a deep green jungle. So jungle is a place, it is a naming word. But how is the jungle? Deep green. So we are describing the jungle as deep green. So deep green is the describing word. So circle deep green, children. An old lion lived in a deep green jungle. One day, the hungry and tired lion. Hungry and tired lion. How is the lion here now? It is hungry and tired. Okay. So, both the words are the describing words for this lion. So, how is the lion? It is hungry and tired. So, circle hungry and tired. Okay. So, hungry and tired lion saw a warm and cozy cave. So cave is a place, but how is the cave? It is warm and cozy. So we are describing the cave as warm and cozy. So circle these words, children. Warm and cozy. He went in. So here we don't have any naming a describing word. Okay, next. The cave belonged to a clever jackal. So jackal, how is the jackal? Clever jackal. So clever is the describing word. So circle clever. So the cave belonged to a clever jackal. The jackal came home in the evening. Is there any describing words? No. Next sentence. He saw the lion's paw prints going into the cave. But there were none coming out. Next. The scared jackal. So jackal is the animal. So how is it now? It is scared. So scared is the describing word. We are describing the jackal now. It is scared. So circle scared, children. The scared jackal thought a lion is in my cave. He called loudly, "Hello, cave. Shall I come in?" The lion heard the jackal. "If I do not reply, the jackal will leave," he thought. So the lion roared, "Jackal, my friend, please come in." The jackal heard the lion. He knew there was a lion inside. He ran away. Understood, children? So the words which we found, the describing words which we found in this story is old. In the first line we saw old, deep green, and next hungry and tired, warm and cozy, and in the next paragraph we saw clever, and then the scared jackal. So scared. Understood, children, what are describing words? And have you understood to use the describing words? Okay, children. Okay, complete all these exercises. Okay, children. Hari Om.